Microsoft officially released that there are several types of Intel and AMD processors they are listed as non-supported for Windows 11. Microsoft replaces the older generation of both Intel and AMD CPUs that which is supported up to Windows 10, Windows older generations like that. So the Microsoft demands the newer version of architecture of the both CPUs and a higher advanced level processing for manage Windows 11. So Microsoft Windows 11 requires the high-end processor, TPM, minimum 4 gigabytes of RAM, higher-end storage, GPU's advanced level, and 180p of higher-end resolution of the display. Let's enter how to install Windows 11 on unsupported PC. Right now I gonna be check my PC's the specs which is supported Windows 11 or not. So I explain my PC specs is which is the DDR3 level. I finally reveal my PC specifications. So this version of the CPU is which is not supported for Windows 11. So let's gonna be I try to install Windows 11 on this CPU. So now let's test it. So before one you're gonna be install that's a PC health check app from your any of your browser in your PC and search PC health check application. PC health check application for Windows. Let's now navigate my cursor. So just go on, scroll and download the PC health check app. The setup is download started and wait until the download. After finish, you need to install this application on your PC right now. Install this application setup by usual. Launch PC health check application. So you see the left side of the column, you see your PC specifications like RAM, storage, etc. It's okay. So click check now button. So they will show what your PC requirements is missing for booting Windows 11. In my PC, TPM not installed, processor not supported. If you want to see your PC's real-time performance, you will check your task manager. Below the bottom of the task manager, so you will check it out your PC real CPU real-time performance. So I will check it out. My process Intel i3-2130. Okay. So below the green ticks are there are 12 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage. CPU has 2 cores. They need 2 cores at least, but 4 cores is optimal. So that's all. That's all okay. Above the processor is not only supported. So scroll and note it down. What are your PC requirements and what are your PC's marked as wrong tick, which means a red color mark button. So note it down. So now let's fix it. Let first we download the Microsoft Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft official website. It's okay. Open your browser and search Microsoft Windows 11 download Windows 11. So the first mark, this is an official website from Microsoft website to download this Microsoft Windows 11 ISO file. So let's scroll it down. You will see in the download Windows 11 disk image ISO file for HTC devices and select Windows 11 multi edition and click confirm. So product language I selected United States English and select confirm. The Windows 11 ISO file has only available on 64-bit only. So select download, click to download. So that download has started. So the download of the ISO file may be dependent on your internet speed. So my download has taken up to 2 hours approximately. Depend on my internet speed, but it is very low speed. They take much amount of time. So now let's install and mount Windows 11 ISO file. After the download finish, they will select a disk image file separately. Select and right click to mount. So you will see the bootloader files are appear. So next we try into next first method for using CMD. You will no need to install third-party software applications because we are doing a very simplest method to install Windows 11 very easily on unsupported PC. Okay, so let's me follow up. So open your file manager and mount the Windows 11 ISO file. Right click and mount. You see the bootloader files. Okay, now let's. So you noted this local disk C. I mean C D E F. This disk is categorized as F. So I will note it. So open click start button and open CMD as run as administrator. So after you seeing the run as administrator path, so the enter your disk drive letter. Enter. So type very carefully. Let me I show it. Set up dot exec space slash product space server space slash compat space ignorewarning and hit enter. So the mounted ISO has started for installation setup. So install Windows Server appeared, but it is same edition of your Windows is already installed. I mean the Windows edition, the like Pro, Workstations, Education, like etc. Click next to continue. We are getting a few things ready. Windows 11 is almost running. Okay, checking your PC. Loading. Okay, wait. Okay, this method works. Applicable notices and license terms. Click select to agree. Accept the button. If you wanna be read, you will be scroll down and read after you clicking the accept button. So the choose want to keep. First method is very effective. First method is very better, which means I got several amount of important files. So I choosing the keep everything on my PC. Then install. Okay, getting updates. It can take several minutes. Then install is now ready to install. Click to install. Installation is now getting started. I select to install Windows Server. It can take up to several minutes to install. So now next method 2. Method 2 is simply like simply and similar like a first method, but it is just one more the CMD code difference. So again the same thing. Display click open your file explorer and select your ISO file and mount again. You have the bootloader of files right now. Note it down. Again note it down your drive letter which has mounted the ISO file. So my drive letter is again F. Open your command prompt and run as your administrator. Okay. Enter your drive letter location. The drive letter is F. So F colon enter hit, then wait. So look carefully and type again the text setup.exe space slash product server space slash compat space ignore warning without space slash migrate space drivers space all. Okay, I am touching the below. Wait a minute. Migrate drivers all. Now hit enter. Okay, so the Windows 11 bootloader ISO file is installation setup has started. Now again the same procedure as previous I said. Now click next and accept the terms and condition and install this ISO Windows 11 ISO. Getting update. We are getting a few things ready. Checking your PC. Still loading. Why? Okay. Applicable notices and license terms. Click accept. Keep files, settings and apps, everything. So I select the first option and click to next. Make sure you are ready to install. Please wait on a minute. Now installation has started. Okay, it can take up to several minutes to initialize in this setup. After the setup, the system is rebooted again. Okay. Windows working on updates. This can take several minutes to install this setup. Wait a minute until you will be hold on your PC at a power line, or if you are using a laptop, plug and charge your laptop without interrupting this progress. Okay, almost finished. Okay, the Windows 11 is successfully booted. The welcome screen is appearing here. Okay, Windows 11 has successfully booted on unsupported computer. Okay, the new fresh look you see. So now I check the version of my Windows again. Okay, click to settings, start button and open the settings. Search bar about PC. Okay, so the about PC, you see the entire specifications on your computer. So the Windows 11 Pro workstation has successfully booted with the latest version of 25H2 and Future Experience Pack. The Windows 11 Pro for workstations. Okay, now it's it. My each files are preserved in a desktop. Okay, very well. This method is very clear to save my files. In Task Manager, how much the RAM consume on Windows 11. Okay, they are much more than 1 GB. Then consuming RAM compared to Windows 10 is much higher. It's okay. Okay, let's all be right. Then this is the now the ending screen is ahead. Okay, if you wanna need a more technical content and and you wanna be learn, kindly subscribe and like and share this video and subscribe to this channel.